They told you it was cooling. They promised relief. But right now, as you watch this, the American dream isn't just struggling, it's being betrayed. Inflation just hit 3.8%, stubbornly higher than the Fed's target, threatening to wipe out every single bit of your purchasing power. Companies are laying off thousands, and if you're Gen Z, you're already drowning in debt. This isn't just bad news. This is a gut punch, and it's happening right now. But here's the thing. You're not powerless. This video isn't just about complaining. It's about the exact playbook you need to fight back. Let's talk receipts. The latest CPI report dropped, and it was a cold shower. Inflation isn't cooling. It's sticky. Energy prices alone jumped nearly 4% in a single month. And the real kicker? Forecasters are now whispering about a potential 6% inflation rate later this year. Your dollar is losing value faster than you can earn it. So, what's the move? Actionable tip number 1. Stop leaving cash in traditional banks. Your local bank is paying you 0.01%, while inflation eats 4% of your wealth. Look into high-yield accounts or short-term treasury bills. Don't let your money sit there like a sitting duck. Move it where it fights back. And just when you thought it couldn't get worse, the corporate layoffs hit hard. Meta, PayPal, Walmart. These aren't small players. Thousands of employees are getting pink slips overnight. Corporate loyalty is dead. How do you protect yourself? Actionable tip number 2. Build an income source you actually own. Relying on a single paycheck in 2026 is financial suicide. Don't just update your resume. Start a digital side hustle, monetize a skill, and treat yourself like a business. If your company can replace you in a heartbeat, you need a backup plan that belongs entirely to you. Perhaps the most heartbreaking betrayal is what's happening to the younger generation. Drowning in credit card debt, facing what experts call disillusionomics. You're told to pull yourself up by your bootstraps, but the rent is doubled and wages are flat. Actionable tip number 3. Execute a ruthless debt paydown strategy. Stop paying just the minimums. You are funding the bank's record profits. Use the avalanche method. Target the highest interest rate card with every extra dollar you have. Call your credit card companies and negotiate your rates down. This isn't about shame. It's about cutthroat strategy to stop bleeding cash. And let's not even get started on housing. High mortgage rates, zero inventory, and skyrocketing prices. Homeownership has become an exclusive club for Wall Street investors and the ultra-rich. The old playbook is broken. Actionable tip number 4. Pivot to alternative wealth building. If buying a house right now means being house poor, don't do it. Look into REITs to get property exposure without a 7% mortgage hanging over your neck. Consider geographical arbitrage. Renting and investing the difference into cash-flowing assets is the new way to win. So, what do we do when the system feels rigged? We get smart. We adapt. We navigate this reality on our own terms. This channel is about giving you the raw, filter-free truth. Don't let the corporate system win. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's talk about how to survive and actually thrive in this economic battlefield. Stay vigilant. I'll see you in the next one.